Stop overthinking and just ask AI your raw questions. Watch what happens. For years, I struggled with consistent content creation, feeling like I had nothing unique to offer. Finding that sweet spot between authentic self and what the world wants felt impossible. Then I accidentally landed on R86 technology and asked AI one simple question: how do I stay consistent and capture my authentic self? No fancy prompts, no perfect phrasing, just raw curiosity. What happened next will show you that you already have everything you need to solve your biggest challenges. I opened a fresh AI chat and asked the laziest question: what's my next move? What's the next brick I lay? But because I talked to AI constantly, it had context about what I was working on. It took my useless question and crafted something beautiful, a complete content capture funnel. AI suggested Notion as my GTD database for organizing everything, and Google Docs as my dumping ground for screenshots, files, sheets, images, all the raw material. When I got stuck setting up properties or filters, I'd screenshot the confusion and ask, how do I fix this? No perfect prompts needed. The result was polished. Notion became my searchable database with repeatable, scalable tags and filters. Google Docs my catch-all for every screenshot, file, and random thought. AI even broke down the entire process flow for reference. Look at these idea capture pages. Clean, organized, everything searchable. The granular details like property setups, the way content flows from raw capture to structured database. It all works seamlessly. This wasn't built by a productivity guru or expensive course. It came from one lazy question to AI. Here's your invitation. You already have everything you need. Stop overthinking perfect prompts. Stop waiting for the right moment. Just start asking AI your messiest, dumbest questions. The more you do it, the better you get. The better you get, the better AI gets at helping you. It builds on itself until one day you realize you're solving challenges that used to stop you cold. Your content creation problem, your business challenge, your personal struggle, whatever it is, throw it at AI with raw curiosity and watch the magic happen. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start asking. The magic is waiting for you.